In this video, I want to go through all the basic gestures that you can do on your iPad 11. So let's get started. Maybe you already know some of them, but I will definitely try to show you some that you never heard before. So the most basic ones are, well, when you open an app and you want to exit the app, you simply have to slide from the bottom of the screen all the way up and the app will disappear. It will be still running in the background of your iPad. Multiple apps can run in the background. To see those apps, again, from the bottom of the screen, drag your finger right in the middle and then release. All the apps that are currently open in the background will appear. And if you want to close them, simply swipe up the app that you wish to close. You can also use multiple fingers and swipe 2 or even 3 apps at the same time. This will fully close them. Now, from the home screen over here where you see all the apps you have, you can also keep press on an app, let's say the settings app, to give you more options. So you can go directly to the battery menu, Wi-Fi menu. It's like a shortcut. Different apps will have different shortcuts depending what they are. If you want to check your notifications, drag down from the top left corner, down, like that. And here you go, these are my notifications. You can also clear them by swiping towards the left side. Now I don't have any. You have a few shortcuts if you swipe down from the top right corner down. As you see, these are shortcuts of the volume, the brightness of the screen. I can lock the screen or unlock it, silent mode, to the camera, and many other ones. As you see, the Wi-Fi, the airplane mode. You can add these shortcuts by clicking this plus icon, add control, and here you're going to get all the shortcuts you can put. Simply by selecting one, it will be added, and then you'll be able to move them and place them exactly how you want. So it's very practical since it's at your fingertip once you slide down from the top right corner. Now, when you're typing text, let me open a text editing app like the Notes app over here. If you want to select the whole sentence, triple tap and the whole thing will be selected. As you see, you can adjust it there. If you simply want to select one word, double tap on it. If you're typing and you want to go back, take 3 fingers and swipe back or forward. So if I go towards the left side, it will go back. Okay, it will delete what you just added. And you can also put back in case you deleted something that you didn't want to delete. With 3 fingers, swipe towards the right. You can also use the space bar when you're editing a text. If you keep press on it, the whole keyboard will become a cursor. As you see, I'm moving and it moves the cursor exactly where I want. So let's say I want to remove a letter. Well, I'll simply go over here, put my cursor and delete. And just like that, I can navigate into a text. If you want to search for an app, maybe you don't see it over here, or for a file on your iPad, okay, you simply have to drag down from the middle of the screen with a finger. So just by doing this, you see the search bar will appear and I can search for a file, a picture, an app, anything. Let me search for something, and you see as I type, the results will be presented to me over here. Now let me show you how these buttons are working. These are 3 buttons, but they can do much more than simply controlling the volume and the power. So if you want to do a force restart, in case the screen is frozen, you will need to press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until the screen goes black. All right, let me do it with you. Volume up, volume down, and keep press the top power button like this. Keep it pressed until the screen goes black. A few more seconds. Here we go. So right now the iPad shut down. It turned off. If you keep press the power button for a few seconds until you see the Apple logo. The iPad will wake up, and this is a way to do a force reboot. Now you can also use these buttons to do a screenshot. So let me demonstrate over here how to do a screenshot. It's quite easy. You will need to press the power button and the volume up both at the same time quickly, then release. Just like that. And a screenshot has been taken. You can even hear the sound effect. You're going to get a preview over here, and the screenshot is now in your photo gallery. If you do a screenshot and you tap on it when it's appearing, you'll be able to edit it, so you can make an annotation, highlight whatever part of this text. You can copy some text, okay? The iPad will recognize if there's some text in the screenshot, and you'll be able, by clicking over here, to share it on your favorite apps, with your favorite contacts, save it on your phone, on your iPad, and many different things. If you press the power button once the screen is awake, Siri will appear. Now, I didn't enable Siri, but if you did, if you turned on Siri, you'll be able to talk to it. So you can say, hey Siri, change the volume, make it louder, okay? Or hey Siri, search this or search that, simply by keeping pressed the power button during a second once the screen is turned on, just like that, to make Siri appear. And talking about this top button, you can also go into the settings of your iPad, select accessibility, select top button, and you'll be able to change a few different things. So click speed over here, press and hold to speak to Siri. If you want to turn this off, you can click off over there, or rest finger to open. So instead of tapping on the button to click it, you can simply rest your finger on it, and it will be another way on how to wake up, how to open your iPad if you don't like to click that button for a reason. So this is about it. Down below there's no button, just the USB Type-C port, and on the other side there's nothing apart these connections if you have the case with the keyboard. So thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like this video, comment also if you think I can improve or if you appreciated this video, and I'll see you in the next one.